Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves?
Yeah.
What? I'm on. Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcotarians. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. Oh, that is a big man. I need you to alert Nova Prime.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
shuttles to follow him through the jump port.
What?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that black car until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's key. Where's this key? The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. Splinter's making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shelter now.
First, second, last.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work.
Ah, yeah.
Well,
Okay, I've walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
You gotta need it.
Rock and roll from existence.
What have we done?
I think we're turning back.
Was that the ding dang?
The Big Bang.
Gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Nova team, link your star blasters.
We have him contained, but not for long.
We're back. Locking coordinates for Echo.
Remind me to raise our rate.
The Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these regards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that K toast?